To send tokens using Everest networks, click Send and Receive from your dashboard. Select your network by clicking Ethereum, Polygon, or Binance Smart Chain. Paste the receiver's address and select the token and quantity. Click Send to initiate the transaction. Enter your PIN and click Submit. A sending confirmation will pop up with the transaction details. Click Send to complete the transaction and click OK. To view your transaction history, click History in the top menu and select the transaction. Here you can see all the details, including a link to the Block Explorer. To receive tokens, click on the Send and Receive from your dashboard and switch to Receive. Here you can copy your address to share with the sender.